Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. If you're a first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications. Ceec passionately lock lips with actor Mawuli Gavon. Fans ask for Asoebi colors. Cynthia Nwadeora aka Ceec sparked off dating rumors with dark and handsome Nollywood actor Mawuli Gavon after she posted suggestive photos and video on her Instagram page where she shared passionate kiss with the actor. Although Cynthia Nwadeora's caption didn't indicate that they were having any form of relationship, but the kissing part made her fans curious and eager to know what's really going on with the duo. Spartans who are set of Cynthia Nwadeora aka Ceec fans are eager to know the proposed Asoebi color for her wedding. The second slide, what color is the Asoebi? Blue and ash, I guess, asked a concerned fan. Captioning the photo, she wrote, "If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. This has been the constant in my head for the past few months. Entrepreneurship is a long and hard journey, one that has almost caused me to throw in the towel many times. But here we are, and this feeling of fulfillment is beyond worth it. We did season 1 with our sweat, tears and money, and we have done season 2 with even more of the above. I am so thankful to all who contributed to this. I didn't think I would be able to continue, but I'm so glad I did. Siga season 2 is here, and I hope you love it as much as I do. We are here and we are not stopping anytime soon. Happy new month and happy shopping. Love, Ceec." She captioned the photo she shared. Guys, drop your comments in the section below.